Hi, today in this short video I'm going to tell you about a very useful e-commerce platform SendOwl that helps me make about $80,000 a year. This is an incredibly functional site that I use every day. I'll show you a couple of useful life hacks that few people know about, which make it truly one of the best in the best e-commerce category. So we don't waste time and get down to the business right away. SendOwl is a standalone solution for marketers, entrepreneurs, and business owners to sell successful digital products. Perfect for bloggers and website owners who want to sell their products quickly and easily. It is more suitable for those looking to sell a small number of products rather than an online store that sells thousands. SendOwl is easy to set up. After providing your account details and merchant billing information, you can start creating your products that you want to start charging for. Setting up a payment gateway is easy. All you have to do is insert some API keys from your payment gateway. It takes a few minutes to customize the checkout page and uses on-site checkout templates that you can select to customize to your site. Start selling products with SendOwl by providing just 3 basic pieces of information: your product name, price, and the file itself. After submission, you click the Create Product link. SendOwl provides you with a code for the Buy Now button and the Add to Cart button. Just copy this code and paste it into your website. Visitors then click the Buy button and go through the checkout process hosted on the secure SendOwl server. Then they are redirected to the product download page. A combined confirmation email is sent with a link to the download page of the purchased product. You can sell products, services, product packages, and subscriptions. I personally sell digital products, more specifically courses and ebooks. There are various options for selling digital products available at SendOwl. If you are doing business on the internet and you do not have a website, you can use social media or mailing lists to sell. Just post product purchase button on social media that direct customers to your payment form. In practice, we most often see the SendOwl shopping cart system integrated with WordPress. The benefit for WordPress users is that you don't have to worry about writing checkout code for your products. SendOwl generates the code for you, and with a simple copy-paste, you integrate the shopping experience into your WordPress website. In order for your shoppers to purchase a product on SendOwl, you need to connect a payment gateway from a service provider that authorizes a credit card or direct payment processing for e-business. Insert multiple API keys from your payment gateway and get support for PayPal, Stripe, Apple Pay, Bank Contact, GiroPay, iDeal, SoftWord, and BitPay. Because your shopping cart checkout is hosted on SendOwl, you don't need to protect your customers' sensitive financial data such as credit card information. It is a payment service provider that collects financial data, money from customers who buy your products, and ensures that the correct amounts are securely transferred to your bank account. SendOwl has spent a lot of time developing a payment system that optimizes and promotes a great shopping experience. It takes a few minutes to customize the checkout pages and select on-site checkout overlays to adapt it to your website design. Share quick sell links if you want to bypass the entire shopping cart process and improve sales and conversions. In addition, there are abandoned cart and prepaid reminder emails and abandoned cart reminder emails that you can use to drive shoppers back to your site. Coupons can be administered in one place where you can select individual customers or provide discounts to all. You can limit their maturity, product, or amount spent. You keep customers up to date with the customizable SendOwl emails. Sellers can easily edit, correct, and update any email sent to customers to ensure their customers have a great shopping experience. Emails confirming their order has been processed, transaction receipts, order shipment notifications, and more. I'm assuming that you will also want to keep your customer emails list away from your buyers by integrating SendOwl with your preferred mailing list provider so that in the future you can include your customers in email newsletters. Integrating your mailing list provider helps you segment your customer audience based on the identity of the buyer or product. To do this, you only need the API access URL and API key. Once set up, you can automatically add shopper email addresses to your mailing lists. Expanding your email and sales database will be easier than ever. In SendOwl, you can protect your products in different ways. For digital files, you download the file you sell, and to PDFs, you can choose to print the PDF with the customer's name to prevent piracy. If you sell software licenses, you can automatically generate license keys from SendOwl or choose from your own list of keys that you want to use for your product. Another protection system uses redirects. The website links to a private page on your website where you send buyers so they can view course content after purchase. If you want to expand your reach and allow others to promote your products to you, SendOwl has a built-in affiliate program that you can use. Just invite them so they can sign up for your affiliate program and collect affiliate links that they can use on their website. Sales are tracked using these unique affiliate links and reports are generated so you can pay your affiliates. You decide how much commission you want to pay. Determine the cookie expiration date when you will pay affiliates for their referrals and decide on the terms of your program. Calculating EU VAT and collecting proof of customer location is where SendOwl does the hard work for you. The applicable EU VAT is collected as well as proof of the customer's location. With all this data at your fingertips, creating reports on EU tax transfers in SendOwl is easy. SendOwl also notifies you of any potential customer location inconsistencies that require additional customer interaction to resolve. The latter is an exception that needs to be resolved, but it remains an important feature. SendOwl delivery time is near real time. Of course, SendOwl doesn't actually deliver anything, but instead pulls the trigger when payment is received for your product. The platform has worked hard to ensure fast and easy product delivery, and they succeeded. All products are stored securely in SendOwl, so you don't need to rent expensive server hardware, set up file delivery system, or constantly make sure everything works. SendOwl does it all for you. And so, once the sale is made, you can release products to customers through a temporary link or a limited download link. You can also set up your video content to stream rather than just be available for download. When it comes to protecting your files, SendOwl PDF printing provides another layer of protection. All files are pre-printed with customer data, which prevents them from transferring or selling your content as their own. When it comes to subscription fees, SendOwl is one of the most economical options on the market. You can test their solution for free with a 30-day free trial. The cheapest plan starts at $9 per month, while plans can go up to $39 per month, which is the most economical option on the market. So here's what you get for your hard-earned money. Base $9. 10 products, limited customization, 1 GB storage. $15 standard. 30 items, PDF stamping, affiliate programs, customization, 3 GB memory. Premium, $24, 100 products, PDF stamping, affiliate programs, 1 subscription, additional sales, 5 GB storage, video streaming, cart abandonment, and more. Business, $39, 250 products, 3 subscriptions, site sales, partnerships, customization, cart abandonment, video streaming, PDF stamping, 15 GB storage, and more. The monthly fee may be lower and you will choose self-hosting, but keep in mind that you will end up paying for hosting elsewhere. Your best bet is to put it all under one roof so you can be sure you have enough bandwidth for your store. It's also worth mentioning that SendOwl does not charge any fees or transaction fees, unlike other platforms. Thus, the income you receive from SendOwl is entirely yours.